PC formatting sounds a bit scary, doesn't it? But it's just a big word for cleaning your computer's main storage. This storage is called a hard drive. Think of your hard drive as a giant filing cabinet where your computer keeps everything. Formatting is like emptying out that entire filing cabinet. Every single file, every photo, every game, and even the main program that runs your computer like Windows, gets completely erased. Your computer gets a totally fresh start like a blank notebook. It's a very powerful action, so it's good to know exactly what it does before you begin this big step. So why would anyone want to erase everything on their computer? Well, sometimes computers start to act grumpy. They might become very, very slow over time. This can happen if they have too many old programs you don't use anymore. Or sometimes a computer can catch a nasty software sickness called a virus. These viruses can be really hard to get rid of completely. Formatting your PC is often the best way to remove stubborn viruses and fix these kinds of big performance problems. It can make your computer feel speedy and happy again, almost like it's brand new out of the box. Formatting is a good idea in a few specific situations. If your computer keeps showing strange error messages all the time, it might be confused. Or perhaps it crashes and shuts down on its own, which is very frustrating. These are signs that a fresh start with formatting could help. Another very important time to format is if you are going to sell your computer or give it away. Formatting erases all your personal information like your bank details or private emails. This stops the new owner from seeing your private stuff. Also, if you want to install a different version of Windows, formatting the drive first is usually the cleanest way to do it. Now, it's also important to know what formatting do. Formatting is all about fixing software problems. Those are the programs and data on your computer. It cannot fix hardware problems. Hardware means the physical parts of your computer like the screen, the keyboard, or the parts inside the computer's case. If one of these parts is broken, formatting the hard drive won't magically repair it. You'd need to get that physical part fixed or replaced. Formatting also won't make your computer faster than it was designed to be. It just restores its software to a clean original state. Before you even dream of clicking any format button, there's one super duper important job to do. You absolutely must back up all your important files. I cannot say this enough. Formatting will wipe everything away. This means all your holiday photos, your important school reports, your music collection, and any videos you love will be gone forever if you don't save copies somewhere else first. Imagine losing all those precious memories or important work. So please, make this your very first step. Seriously, don't even think about skipping this part. It's the golden rule of formatting. How do you back up your files, you ask? It's easier than you might think. You can use an external hard drive. This is a little box that can store lots of information, and you plug it into your computer using a USB cable. Then you just copy your files and folders over to it. Another option is a USB flash drive, sometimes called a memory stick. These are smaller and good for important documents or a few photos. You can also use cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft's OneDrive let you save your files safely on the internet. Just pick the way that feels best for you and make sure you copy everything you want to keep. Next up, you need to get your Windows installation media ready. After you format the hard drive, your computer will be empty. It won't have Windows on it anymore, so it won't even start up properly. The installation media is what you'll use to put Windows back onto the computer. This usually comes as a special DVD or a USB flash drive. If your computer came with Windows pre-installed, you might be able to create something called a recovery drive from a tool on your PC. Check your computer's manual for instructions. If you don't have either, you might be able to download the Windows installation files